What's up, guys? Jake here. Just got back from the Players Wanted Syndicate for Milsim this weekend. It was a great event. Shout out to Players Wanted. The event coordinators were great people. I just have one complaint, which you're about to see right now, and that is within any building, structure, or opening or window, in order for you to shoot out of it, you have to stick half your replica out the window, basically opening yourself up to a headshot. And they said this is for safety reasons, to not hit other players walking by. However, I feel it's actually less safe to do this. And I think that this rule should only be applicable to weapons that have a medium engagement distance limitation, as well as limiting that to first floor only. Comment your thoughts down below.